Today, everybody can be a business owner. Yet, the path to true growth is harder than ever before. In this era of rapidly evolving startups and SMEs, it's easy to get lost in the sea of information, templates, and core theory. But here's the key. We believe learning for the fast implementation in your startup is the cornerstone of progress. That's why we created Konsultori Academy. To truly grow, you must invest in absorbing high-quality knowledge and proven concepts to overcome challenges in your entrepreneurial journey fast. All that from industry experts who have already walked the path with many startups. Konsultori Academy is your express route towards triggering growth. It's your all-in-one destination to get your startup to the next level, to market, to service, to develop your business further and eventually sell it. And all of that at your own pace and your own terms. With our carefully designed courses, you gain practical knowledge, you learn to work with provided tools and templates, and by engaging with our lessons through quizzes, assessments, and self-reflection exercises, you reinforce your learning adventure. Your journey towards growth is getting more convenient. Once you're part of our community, we are here for you for the long run. Enjoy lifetime access to our courses and receive useful insights from startup and SMEs world. Oh yeah, and don't forget to brag. Tell everyone you got the certificate from Konsultori Academy that validates your skills and knowledge, showcasing your expertise to potential investors and partners. And that was not enough? And you need further guidance, advices, coaching, or even one-on-one sessions? We've got you covered. Our experts are here to guide you through the challenges of growing your startup. Join us today and let's build the future together.